good. Very well said, my beloved sister Grace Castillo. Well said. Thank you very much. Go, go, go. Sis May, mega love shout out. Mother's Day, sabi ni Wally. Happy Mother's Day, Satnet, sabi ni Masugid na fan ni Lakay Music Lovers, Antonia Ursua. Nandito kami sa Lucena. Tambay lang po, sabi ni New Modern Generation. Thank you, Nisa. Denise, thank you very much. Bestie Denise, mega love shout out. Good morning, coming from May Rivera. Mega love shout out. BFF, Happy Mother's Day, coming from New Modern Generation. Grace Antonio Castillo, Samiliano po. FB ko, Ma'am Agnes. Coming from Grace Castillo. Wally, mega love shout out. Idol, coming from New Modern Generation. Sis Denise, mega love shout out. Morning Wayne, grateful here. Umalis po muna kasi ako sa GC ng Team Lumot. Coming from Grace A. Castillo. Modern Generation, sis Yen, Happy Mother's Day.
This is DJ Chat.
Ay, natulog ka pa ba? Hindi. Alam mo ha, nakinday ha, kasi galing ako sa bahay mo. Galing din ako sa bahay ni First Lady. Hindi ako makatulog. May mumu. Takot ko, no? Uy, walang saklot yung alagat ni Grace. Support ni Grace. Ayan, lagyan na natin ng damit. Ang alagat ni beloved sister Grace A. Castillo. Ay, sa lawal ng support ko. Meron na. 8 million in the house of Lakay Music Lovers. Happy Mother's Day to our beloved mothers over there.
Thank you very much for coming. New moderation, new modern generation, Sis Modi, mega love shout out. Anong atin, Ma'am Grace, coming from Modi Rosales. Happy Mother's Day, Sis Modi Rosales. Thank you very much for coming. Ma'am Modi, pwede po kita makausap sa phone. Thanks, coming from Grace A. Castillo. Coming from Modi Rosales, busy po ako sa team. Coming from Wally, Sis Modi, mega love shout out. Happy Mother's Day. Coming from Modi Rosales, mamaya ko 6 p.m. Pinas, usap tayo. Coming from Grace A. Castillo. Coming from Modi Rosales, Ma'am Grace. Coming from May Rivera, Sis Modi, mega love shout out. Good morning, Happy Mother's Day. Coming from Wally, Ma'am Grace, mega love shout out. Coming from Grace A, sige po, Ma'am Modi, wait ko po. Coming from May Rivera, Sis Yet, mega love shout out. Happy Mother's Day. Sis May, natulog ka pa ba? Coming from Yet, live in Canada. Happy Mother's Day, my beloved sister Yet in Canada. May, May Rivera, Happy Mother's Day sa lahat. Coming from Modi Rosales, medyo di pa full recover, Ma'am Grace. Kagagaling ko lang po sa check-up.
the blast from Lord.
Sabihin, kahit ako ay pangit, sa puso mo at isip,
So,
ako ang
Solpi, babatin po ako. Sa inyo, busy lang po talaga sa work. Support, maybe support ito. Support din po ako sa inyo. Busy lang po talaga sa work. Coming from Modi Rosales. Thank you, Wally, for your heart. Thank you, Sis Grace Castillo and Sis Wally. Love you, Ma'am Grace, coming from Modi Rosales. Grace A. Castillo, here lang to support. Back din po sa inyo, guys. Thank you. Very, very big. Beloved sister A. Grace A. Castillo. Always God be with you and your loving family. Modi Rosales, miss you. Modi Rosales, salamat. Support ni Grace. When Grateful Support Tamsak Tay, coming from When Grateful Support. Thank you very much, Nak. Happy Mother's Day again. Thank you very much, Sis Modi Rosales for Kaway Kaway. Thank you, Tay. Pahinga ka din, Tay, pag may time, okay? Thank you, my beloved daughter, Inday. Tapos, drive na naman ako mamayang gabi. Takas pa yan. Dito ako sa terrace. Good morning, hoy! Sabi ni Doña Noli Ramos. Hoy, sigurado ka ba na dilat na yung dalawang mata mo? Baka nakapikit pa yung isa, ha, Doña, ha? Tambay ko lang yan, Tay. Work mo. Thank you, beloved Sister Grace A. Castillo. Maraming salamat sa tambay. And thank you very, very big sa iyong support kay Lakay Music Lover. Always God be with you, my beloved Sister Grace A. Castillo. When Grateful, good morning, coming from Doña Noli Ramos. Nakapikit pa ang isang mata niyan. Noli Ramos, Grace Castillo, good morning. Nakapikit pa mata mo dyan, isa. Donya. O, nakabukas na yung dalawa. Good morning, Ma'am Noli, coming from When Grateful.
This is DJ Jack of the blast from Lord.
Sa lahat ng dumalo sa live stream ni Lakay Music Lovers, humihingi ako ng pasensya na hindi ko kayo maayudahan ngayon. Maybe after my live stream or tomorrow, I visit your house. Nagising, ingay mo. Pikit pa isang mata ko, hoy. Oo, biruin mo, wala. Hindi ako nag-LS kahapon. Tapos, nakatunga nga ako rito, wala mang gagawin. Kaya nag-LS na lang ako. Palablab po, new upload, short. Coming from Agni Darumangkos. Tapos na ako dyan na. Ibibitin natin para ilablabin din. Pakilablab lang yung short video ni Agni Darumangkos. Happy Mother's Day, Ma'am Noli, coming from Agni Darumangkos. Agni Darumangkos, hello, good morning, coming from Doña Noli Ramos.
Ikaw sa tindahan, pangita kang kapalaran, nagahilat nga parahan kang pasahero, nga pislian, suray sa initan, suray sa uran, pinamano di malas.
Dan Lablab, Ma'am Agnes, coming from Weng, grateful support.
Tricycle ang kuparala, hanap pre. Santa Maria, yap upat si tadagan. Ang ginapangamuyo sa aragtunan makasampet. Iparayo sa disgrasya kang pasahero nagkuriko.
Bago pala ito na. Ngayon lang pala to. Wala kagabi ito.
Kapalaran sa matutela, may kasugot, may kasadya. Sunog man sa adlaw, ang walang abaka. Sige lang kay kahulan, sa balay ang pamilya.
Ma'am Noli, mega love shout out. Dikit na po sa inyo, coming from Grace A. Castillo. Salamat Ma'am Noli, coming from Agni Darumangkos. Sleep na po ulit tayo. Okay, sige na. Good night. Dan Sis Agnes, coming from Yet Life in Canada. Ma'am Weng, salamat, coming from Agni Darumangkos. Salamat Sis Yet, coming from Agni Darumangkos. May alagad na naman si beloved sister Grace. Ayan, may damit ka na. Alagad ni Grace Castillo. Patusok po, upcoming live ni Doña Noli Ramos. Palablab muna po si Agni Darumangkos, the new short video. Tight jacket ni Ma'am Grace, meron na 7 million in the house of Lakay music lovers. Mega love shout out sa inyong lahat. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers.
This
Doña Noli Ramos. Bahala ka sa buhay mo, uy. Kumuha ka ng agdan ng Meralco. Sabi ko sa'yo, ituro mo sa akin kung paano magpaakyat. Tie jacket ni Ma'am Grace. Ay, tapos na. When Grace, grateful support, thank you for your heart. Oh, Doña, pinagtawanan mo na naman sila kay music lovers. Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Kumuha ka ng hagdan ng Meralco. Doon, hiram ka doon sa, sa Meralco. Doon sa may Ortigas. Malapit sa inyo yun. Yan. Oh. Akala mo, hindi kita mapatawa. Wow, 7 million in the house of Lakay music lovers. Thank you very, very big. My beloved sister, Yolanda Ramos. Happy Mother's Day. You are now the standard moderator of Lakay music lovers. Yoli, sister, maraming salamat sa pag-support kay Lakay music lovers. Tapos na kayo saka kay Agni Darmangos at Gablab. At ibitin naman natin ito si Doña Noli Ramos. Humihingi ng hagdan. Bahala siya sa buhay niya. Doon siya sa Meralco humingi ng hagdan. Ayaw niya ako turuan kung paano magpaakyat. Dan na ako kay Agni coming from Noli Ramos. Oy, Donya, pinagtatawanan kanina po to. Dan na po kay Ma'am Noli coming from Yet Life in Canada. Kala ko, sa akin ngayon. Doon sa Ortigas. Maraming hagdan na Meralco doon. Oy, Donya, hindi ako nakatulog dito. Mabuti umabot ako sa GLS ni Maymay Rivera. Pagkatapos, higa ako, hindi ako makatulog. May tatakot ako sa moment. Dan Tamsak, Ma'am Noli coming from When Grateful. Sis Grace, salamat ha, salamat ha. Hindi, kasi yung bilas ko dito, ito yung na-aksidente na haggard. 32 years old, staff sergeant ang rango niya sa pulis. Na-aksidente. Kailan lang, katatapos lang ng 40 days. Birthday naman nung anak niya. Tapos kapapanganak ng asawa niya na kapatid ng misis ko. Kaya nandito kami. Eh, takot ako. Harapan mo ako kahit ilang buhay na ako, wag lang multo. Thank you, Weng. OTW, coming from Noli Ramos. Ay, nasaan menu Weng? Coming from Noli Ramos. Palablab po, short video. Thanks coming from When Grateful. Mga kapatid, sa baba, 7 million in the house of Lakay, music lovers. Tapos na ba kayo naglablab kay Donya Ramos? Pakilablab si Donya Noli Ramos. At isusunod naman natin si When Grateful.
Romblon Explore Remix.
Naku, nahulog si Donya. Naku, Hinday. Nak, tignan mo nga sa baba si Donya Noli. Anak ng titing nahulog.
DJ Jack Dennis of Tablas Romblon.
Ginigising kita, mahal kong kaibigan. Donya Noli Ramos, 40 years old. BFF ni Lakay Music Lovers, 45 years old. Kala mo ikaw lang magaling magpatawa. Anyway, thank you very much, my beloved friend, Donya Noli Ramos. Mega love shout out. Ma'am Noli, andito na ako. Yan ang main house ni When Grateful. Dikitan mo yan, my friend. 9 likes tayo, Lakay. Thank you very much, my beloved daughter, Inday. Okay, when coming from Noli Ramos. Anak ng tete. Akala ko nagbabawiin pa yung tusok ko.
Explore Remix.
Natusok ko pala kagabi. Mabuti bumalik. Dan full pack, Ma'am Noli coming from When Grateful. Today is Sunday, a family day, a rest day. But anyway, thank you very big, my beloved friends, to support Lakay Music Lovers, Ate Pinay Farm Vlog. Thank you very much for coming. Magandang morning din sa'yo, Malang, the pretty and the beautiful beloved sister of Lakay Music Lovers. Thank you very much for coming, Sis Malain. Thumbs up. Thank you, my beloved little sister, Malay, the channel. Thank you, Sisa. Malay, thank you very much for coming. Dito ako sa labas, sa may terrace. Dito kasi kami sa sa Lucena, sa hipag ko. Welcome po! Coming from Malay, the channel. Yung laptop, tinatong ko sa upuan. Pati yung sound card, pinatong ko sa upuan. Oh, di ba? Survivor. Wala akong magawa. Wala akong kausap. Dance sa mga premier mo. Weng, coming from Doña Noli Ramos. Mega love shout out. My beloved sister, Grace A. Castillo. Thank you, very big. Lahat ng dumalo at hindi dumalo nakadikit nila kay music lovers. After my live stream, at makauwi ako sa Manila, I visit your house, our beloved friends and brothers and sisters. What's done sa nakapin sabit, coming from Malay, the channel. Thank you very big, my beloved sister Malay, the channel for your heart. Malay, tignan mo kung may bago kang dyan, video upcoming. Baba mo at least ipalablab natin. Sis Grace, kung may mga bago ka dyan, palablab natin. Mga bago kayong upload dyan, saka upcoming pa. Baba niya at palablab natin. Donya, thank you very big ka. nga pala, meron pala akong bagong upload. Love ko sa inyo.
This is DJ Jack Daniels of Tablas Romblon. Turn up the bass.
Wow, what a prima vlog. Thank you very much for coming, my beloved friend. Tamsak sa iyo, host. Mega love shout out sa lahat ng nandito. Coming from Ate Prima Vlog. Nakpalitan natin yung ano. Palablap lang yung bagong upload nila kay Music Lovers, our beloved friends. Noli Ramos, Grace Castillo, OTW.
Romblon Mix Club Remix.
Matulog ka na muna, Ma'am Noli. Hehehe, coming from Line. Oo nga, pero sigurado ko yan, nakapikit isa mata niyan. Eh sabi niya, nagising daw dahil ang ingay ko. Pero pikit pa isa mata niyan. Pero magigising yan. Makita lang ako sumayaw niyan, magigising yan. Thank you po, Ma'am Noli, coming from Wang Great. Dan sa nakapin host with Bakas sa Kasalan. Thank you po, Ate Prima Vlog, my friend. $8 million in the house of Lakay Music Lovers. Thank you very much for your support. What's done host sa Kasalan? Patay tayo dyan. Nakita na nila ang sayaw ni Ninong Lakay Music Lovers sa probinsya Isabela. Kusina ni Sir Ron. Good morning, Sir Lakay. Thank you very much, my friend. Kusina ni Ron. At bibigyan kita ng kapote. Baka mabasa ka dyan. Love Osia. Please be recognized, my friend. Who are you? Oh, my friend. You are my friend, Love Osia. I'm here now in your house. Thank you very much for coming. And you are now standard moderator of Lakay Music Lovers, my beloved friend, Love Osia. Mega love shout out host, sabi ni my beloved friend, Sis Love Osia. Thank you very much, my friend, to your heart. Dumikit ka dyan, sis. Love Osha, mga kaibigan kong mga yan lahat. Kung sino pa ang hindi mo nakikitan dyan. Sis Maline, dating naka-tamsak sa short mo. Thank you, ma'am. Coming from Maline. Weng. Kusina ni Sir Romy. Thank you sa jacket, Sir Lakay. Welcome na welcome, my beloved friend. Kusina ni Sir Romy. Sakto ang sukat, tama-tama. Oo, pinatahi ko yan. Levi's yan, my friend. Kusina ni Sir Romy. Signature yan, my friend. Welcome, Sis Maline. Love Osha, salamat po sa jacket, sir. Magandang jacket yan, kapatid. In-order ko yan sa US. Signature yan, Levi's. Tumawa ang aking kaibigan kusina ni Sir Romy at saka si Love Osha.
This is DJ Jack Daniels of
Yan, maglablaban kayo dyan. Love Osha, dikitan mo yan si Weng Grateful, ang aking mahal na anak sa YouTube channel, sa YouTube community. Alala ko kay Kuya Will galing jacket. Yes. Yes, signature yan, my beloved friend, Love Osha. Hello, Lods Ganda, ka-artista, Barbie Vlogs for coming. Salamat sa iyo, mahal kong idol. Oh, magandang morning sa iyo. Okay, palablab naman yung upcoming ni aray ko, sabi niya, ng aking idolong maganda, Barbie Vlogs. Makipagdikitan ka dyan, Lods. Mga legit kong kapatid ang mga yan. Pakilablab naman ang pinaba ni Ate Prima. Upcoming.
DJ Jack Daniels of the Blast from Lord.
Tapos na kayo kay Lakay, music lovers. Sipain na natin. Ipalit naman natin si Ate Prima Vlog. Love Osha, Dan Weng. Lods, Birds, thank you ha. Thank you very much ha. Barbie Vlog. Thank you very, very big. Salamat po sa pagsabit post. Walang anuman, mahal kong kaibigan, Ate Prima Vlog. Dan Share Community, thank you, very big. My beloved sister, Artista Network and Barbie Vlogs. Mega love shout out Ate Prima Vlog and Nori Ramos coming from Barbie Vlog. Love Osha, Dan Nakapin. Barbie Vlogs, kusina ni Sir Rom. Hi! Kusina ni Sir Rom. Ki Barbie Vlogs. When grateful, thank you. Love Osha. OTW. Ate Prima Vlog, Barbie OTW, on the way, coming from Ate Prima. Kusina ni Sharon. Salamat Ate Prima Vlog. Love Osia. Welcome Sis Weng. Grateful.
Good morning, ugaling ay parang Maria Clara. Hindi agad makakamit ang kanyang pagsinta. Kailangan pang suyurin siya. Kailangan pa bang ako'y makakaraan?
Beloved Sister Grace A. Castillo. Thank you very much na.
Kailangan pa bang matuyo ng taong maniwala kung may ipagmahal?
Ate Prima, my friend, thank you very big. Kusina ni Sir Romy Dan, coming from Latvia. Yet life in Canada, thank you very much for your heart. Love Osia, hello sis Barbie. Kusina ni Sir Ron. Love Osia, pasyal ako bahay mo after 5 minutes. When grateful, dan Love Osia. Love Osia, thank you very big for your heart. Ate Prima Vlog, Dan connected coming from Barbie Vlog. Excuse me lang ha, sandali lang ha, mga kapatid ha.
tablas Romblon.
Love me with all of your heart, that's all I want. Love me with all of your heart, you're not at all. All the sweetness that you give me, all your kisses, every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, oh, when you're near me, love me with all of your heart, as I love you.
Beloved brothers and sisters downstairs, you are open to drop your link.
Love me always
Maglablaban kayo dyan.
from the start.
We gathered some friends in YouTube community. We love each other.
Romblon Explode.
Dan Kusina ni Romy, coming from Noli Ramos. Thank you very, very big, my beloved friend at the Prima Block sa Hawaii, Hawaii.
Tablas Romblon.
Okay! 10 million in the house of Lakay music lovers. Thank you very big sa inyong lahat.
Sige, maglablaban kayo dyan. At kakantahan ko kayo.
From Block Mix Club.
Okay, kakantahan ko kayo. Warden at a prison at the hallway to stone. I stood up to say goodbye like all the rest, and I heard tell the warden just before we reached my cell, let my guitar play in round to my request. Let me be back home with the song I used to do. Make my own memories come alive. Take me away and turn back to you. Sing me back home before I die. I recall a Saturday morning, a choir from Rose to Tree came to sing a few old gospel songs, and I heard him tell the singer, there's a song my mama sang, but I heard it once before you move along. Did sing me back home the song I used to hear. Make my own memories come alive. Take me away and turn back the years. Sing me back home before I die. Mega love shout out to my beloved wife, Antoinette Del Rosario. Happy Mother's Day. And Happy Mother's Day to all mothers. Thank you very much sa inyong lahat, mga mothers. God bless you all. Lakay music lovers. Won't be seen back home. The song I used to do. Make my own memories come alive. Take me away and turn back to you. Sing me back home before I die. Sing me back home before I die. Thank you, our beloved mothers. Today is your day. Ito pa para sa inyo, mga mahal kong ina. sa buong mundo. Hello, darling. Nice to kiss you. It's been a long time. You're just so lovely as you used to be. Are you in love? Are you happy? Hope you're doing fine. Just to know it means so much to me. What's the telling how I'm doing? I'm doing alright, except I can't sleep and I quite like to die. What I'm trying to say is I love you and I miss you, and I'm so sorry that I did you wrong. Look up, darling, let me kiss you. It's all I'm saying. Let me hold you in my arms one more time. Thank you, darling. May God bless you. And it's that you taking you closer to the things you seek to find. Goodbye, darling. I gonna go now. Gonna try to find a way to lose these memories of a love so warm and true. And if you should never find it in your heart to forget me, come back, darling. I'll be waiting for you. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat mga kapatid na nandyan sa baba. Pwede kayong mag-request kung anong kanta ang inyong nais. Dahil araw ng mga ina ngayon, ito ay para sa inyong lahat. Say you stay until tomorrow. I can find this tonight alone. I know it's over and we're through. Say you stay until tomorrow. I need you. The words have all been said. Your mind made up to. You're standing by the bed like someone I don't know. Your love has died and there is nothing you can do. Do you try? Yes, you try. You can live with a lie. So say you stay until tomorrow. tell that things just ain't been right. 'Cause when we try to talk, we both get so right. But now you've told the truth, and I know where I stand. Do it hurt deep inside. Give me time, I'll get back. So stay until tomorrow. I can't waste the night alone. No, I know it's over. Say you'll stay until tomorrow. I need you. No, I know it's over. Say you'll stay until tomorrow. I need you. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Wow! Kuya Reborn Vlog, thank you for coming, my beloved friend. Thank you very much for coming. Mag-request kayo dyan, mga kapatid, kung anong gusto nyong kanta. Ito nga, subukan natin kantahin. Baka sakali. If it brings you happiness, then I wish you all the best. It's your happiness that matters most of all. But if she ever breaks your heart and the teardrops ever start, I'll be there before the next teardrops fall. Though it hurts to let you go, darling, I want you to know I'm proud to you if ever you should go. And if you I should never hear that shit's made you shed and tear, I'll be there before the next teardrops fall. I'll be there anytime you need me by your side to dry away. It's the teardrops that you cry. If she ever leaves you, just remember I love you, and I'll be there before the next teardrops fall. Ma'am Barbie, pahingi ng tauhan nyo. Laki din ng bahay nyo po. Oh, malaking bahay na yan si Barbie Vlogs. Yung ka-artista network sa kanya yan. Mag-request? Yan. Tignan natin dito. Yan, tignan natin. Put your sweet lips a little closer to the phone. Let's pretend that we're together all along. 9 million in the house of Lakay music lovers. Thank you, thank you. Mega mega love shout out sa inyong lahat. And you can tell your friend there will be. You'll have to go. Whisper to me, tell me, do you love me true? Always be holding you the way I do. Do love is blind? Make up your mind, I've got to know. Should I hang up, or will you tell him he'll have to go? You can say the words I want to while you're with another man. Do you want the answer, yes or no? Darling, I will understand. Put your sweet lips a little closer to the phone. Let's pretend that we're together all along. I'll tell the man to turn the tune back without love, and you can tell your friend there with me. He'll have to go. Okay, maraming salamat. 9 million in the house of Lakay music lovers. Thank you very big. Manoy Junin, Canada, thank you very much. My friend, my new friend. Oh, maraming salamat sa iyo, kapatid. At nakaabot ka sa aking live stream. Isa ka na ngayon, standard moderator ni Lakay Music Lovers, my beloved Manoy Junin in Canada. Yan, may damit ka na. Manoy Junin, Canada, my friend. Oh, mag-request. Anong request? Ito. Ba't ganun? Ayaw. Ay, iba yung pinindot ko, iba naman yung pumasok. Sige na nga. Tahin na nga kita. Your cheating heart will make you win. You're quiet and fine and try to sleep, but sleep won't come. No whole night through. Your cheating heart will tell on you when tears come down like falling rain. You sluice me round and call my name. You'll walk the floor the way I do. Your cheating heart will tell on you. Kaloy, my friend, thank you very big for coming. Makipagdikitan ka dyan. Brother, Kaloy, makipagdikitan ka dyan. Your cheating heart will find someday and great love you throw away. The time will come when you'll be blue. Your cheating heart will tell on you when tears come down like falling rain. You twist around and call my name. You walk the floor the way I do. Your cheating heart will tell on you. Maraming salamat po. Ano pa? Oh, wala na naman. Don't tell my heart. Don't tell my heart. Ano na? O yun. With my child to the Tennessee wall. When I know I happen to see, loko-loko tong laptop na to, binibigyan akong kanta. I introduce her to my lover, and while they were dancing, my friends told my sweet girl from past. I remember the night and the Tennessee wall. Now I'm not just so much have lost us. Yes, I lost my little town. The night they were playing the beautiful Tennessee one. Thank you, Naka. Thank you, Dai. Thank you very much. magpalit distance with my Charlie to the Tennessee wall. When I'm not I happen to see. Ayaw naman magpalit. Lolo ko na naman yun. Galit na naman yata si Lolo sa akin. Gusto ko na akyat ka. LS ko host, gusto ko mga para. Ba? No problem. Ikaw pa, my brother Kaloy. Oo. Nung may kwento ko na pala sa'yo, kasi may banda ka. Nung teenager ako, mahilig ako sa music. Bumili ako ng electric guitar kasi sumasama ako sa banda. Kumakanta ako sa banda nung teenager ako. Kaya gustong-gusto ko noon magkaroon ng banda. So, kinagagalak ko na gusto mo akong invite sa LS mo. O naman, ikaw pa. Tatanggihan ko. Siyempre, Matik, my brother Kaloy. Yes! Ano pa yung ating mga mga kanta rito na mahilig lang ako bro sa sa mga old song. Ito nga, tirahin ko nga. Baka mamaya tirahin ko na. Gusto ko yung master talaga ito eh. When things go wrong, when the sea truly goes, and temptation's strong into the boundary of a with man, sweet decisions calling and negative glance, cold hurt done by you. Some things look better, baby. It's my straight through, and it's not separate by just a simple one. It's too hard. Thank you, thank you. My brothers and sisters, 11 million in the house of Lakay music lovers. Mega love shout out sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat for your support. Ito pang kanta para sa inyong lahat. Hagdan na naman ulit. Faith Macarios, thank you very much for coming. Mega love shout out sa iyo, my friend. When I feel like the words cannot, and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far, we've turned the moon, and we counted a million stars. My love still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I've heard of these ones before, and they made it look all along, and my heart I know. There's one thing in my life that's still with you. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or what. No looking back. Got on you every time. Wow! The ways I walk with mine. Bumibigay na yung boses ko. Walang tigil na kanta. Napalaman sa kantaan. PK G General Live Streaming Marian Rivera. It's just one place to spend the rest of my days. Anywhere would do. Long I see close to you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Pasensya na kayo ha, hindi ako makapagpalit ng ng pin. Hindi na matanggal si Ate Prima Vlog doon, no? Pero dito sa moderator CP ko, si Kaloy yung nakapin. Kaya ganun. No questions in the air. No asking why. Divina Roll of Love, Mega Love shout out co-host. Thank you very much for coming, my friend Divina. And you are now a standard moderator of Lakay Music Lovers. Pag-ingatan mo yan, jacket na yan, signature yan, Levi's yan, in-order ko pa sa Amerika yan. My beloved friend, Divina, Roll your love. sa bundok yung laptop, kaya hindi ako marunong kumamit. As showers, my heart's beating much too fast for my band. Soon I'll bring in you once again. Today I'll be with you. Thank you, my friend. It's been a rolling time. Just once more, darling. That's what I'm longing. But most of all, I just wanna hear the wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I heard the sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love, whatever did with my and it reassures those doubts have been storing up in my mind. When I get home, what will I find? Will you still remember? And will your love be tender and strong? I've been away from you so long. So when I'm home, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I heard it sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love, whatever did we part. My love, whatever did we part. Grace, thank you ha, my beloved sister ha. Thank you very, very big sa'yo ha. All right, 10 million in the house of Lakay music lovers. You can request a song to be sung by Lakay music lover. Beloved friend, Susan, thank you very much ha, Sisia. You followed me till death. We didn't find each other, so we move on. You went with me. Andyan si friend natin, si Barbie nandyan. Uy, my friend, Lalay TV, thank you very big ha. Busy si Tay Lakay sa ngawa ng ngawa, sa kakakanta, hindi ko napansin. My beloved friend, Lalay TV. Thank you very much for coming Love you all love you all. 10 million in the house of Lakay music lovers. You have my memories. You were there airport in Nashville. We didn't find each other, so we moved on. Hindi naman maganda yung mga kanta na binigay sa akin. Alin ba mas maganda rito? Ito ba? Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down. Put music on the sofa and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quiet and strong. I believe how much it hurts me just to be your man. There's no hurry, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come a little closer, let go over what I had in mind. Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that sofa is slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. Thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quiet is long. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. Your man, ito bro. Ain't nobody ever loved you, buddy, the way that I love you. We're alone now, you don't know how long I've wanted to. Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that sofa is slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt I'm feeling, that's what it's on. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. Ano to? Mga siguro isang buwan ko na kinakanta. Hindi ko pa masyado nakuha. Mabilis. Mabilis bro, mabilis. Today is Sunday. Sino mo nga kung kaya ko kantahin to? Someday morning, what it will look, acting out and walking the park. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. I've got someone waiting for me. When I see her, I know that she'll see. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Ha, 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 beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you said that you love me. Oh, my, it's a beautiful day. Birds are singing, you by my side. Let's take a car and go for a ride. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. We'll drive home and follow the sun, making Sunday going home. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Ha, 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 beautiful Sunday. It's my beautiful day. You said that you love me. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful Sunday. It's my beautiful day. Said that you love me. Leia Tuwing, shout out sa lahat. Wala kong damit, mga birthday. Yan, may damit ka na. Legend yan. Levi's yan. Pag di mo natin yan, kapatid. Kapit lang. sakit na lalamunan ni Lakay Music Lovers. Uy, Yumisha Cooking. Wala kang damit.
This is DJ Chen Carlos
Ayan.
from Lona.
Meron ka ng damit, pag-ingatan mo yan. Legit yan. Levi's yan, kapatid. Yumisha Cooking. Thank you for coming, my friend. Rona, my beloved sister, ating ko, salamat sa pagdating. Late man, ikaw ay magaling. Mayroon tayong kasabihan, buliman. Ano ba tawag doon? Buliman. Ano ba yun? May kasabihan ng mga tatanda natin. Thank you very much. No matter if you are late, the most important to Lakay Music Lovers ay nakadaan ka. My beloved sister, AAA in Canada, Rona. Minto mo na ako kumanta, sakit na lalamunan ko. Pero, pasensya na kayo ha, nagluluko na naman yung ano ko. Yung aking monitor. Ayun no, naka-bitay pa si Ate Prima Vlog doon. Tapos nung palitan ko, ayaw magpalit. Pero dito sa monitor ko, si Kaloy ang nakalagay. Amberman, my baby J. Sino ito? Amberman. Ewan ko pa paano hindi nagkaroon ng ano yan. Ayaw na mag-ano ng monitor ko. Ayaw na magpalit. Ba't kaya? Ano nangyari kaya dyan? Mga kapatid. Kaya magdikita lang kayo dyan. Ross, naimbag na bigat mo ako. Kapsat. Diretso mo kasi ayaw magpalit. O yun, kaloy na yung nandun. Kasi hindi siya
Champion of Tabla Romblon.
Siguro pagka nasobrahan ng tagal, ayaw na magpalit. Subukan ko nga. Ayun, palit na. Pwede na. Sige lang ating ko ha. Ross, thank you very much ha. Grace, thank you very much ha. My beloved sister ha. Ross, Kapsat, ating ko, thank you ha.
Romblon Mixed Fly Remix.
Oh, yan. Thank you very much ha for coming ha, my friend. Yan Mendoza. Oh, wala ka pang damit. Oh, yan. In-order ko pa yan sa Amerika. Levi's yan. Signature yan. Kapatid, yan. Mendoza. NTL. May jacket ka na. Levi's pa yan. Maraming salamat. Uy, my beloved Prissy, thank you for coming. Morning Thai, thank you very much. Tambay ko lang to ha. Thank you very much. My beloved sister Prissy. Good morning, host. Thank you very much, Yan Mendoza. Sige lang ha. Si Chrissy, sige lang. Sige, pahinga ka muna. Sige lang. Thank you very much ha.
Bingo on Mix Club DJ.
This is DJ Champion of
Sige
Tabla
lang.
Romblon.
Yan. Thank you ha. Kung ikaw ay Mendoza, ay aking kamag-anak. Thank you very big ha. Yan ha. My beloved sister, Yan Mendoza. Kaya
dati nung kay kita mo naman. Bilhin mo siya.
Gawa ko extension para maano yung e-bike.
From Block Mix Club Remix. This is DJ Jack Kelly of Tablas Romblon.
Thank you ha, mga kapatid.
Pasensya na kayo ha. Medyo nagkaroon ng problema ha. Pasensya na kayo ha. I-end ko na lang ha. Thank you very much ha. We love you all.